Hello there. My name is Great OKONKWO. Welcome to Diamond Ethical, where wealth is born of character. So, who is Diamond Ethical? Diamond Ethical is simply a financial loan broker firm in Texas. We're not going to waste further time on that. Now, Diamond Ethical, we've partnered up with the amazing Institute for Improved Minority Financial Literacy, which is IIMFL. Now, this is a 501c3 nonprofit organization which is committed to narrowing down racial wealth gaps in our society, in our country, by teaching entrepreneurs financial literacy and increasing their access to capital. Now, this is mainly for minority owned small businesses. However, if your business is at the startup stage or early stage, you are qualified as well. Okay. Now, knowing this, we've decided to roll out a business startup package that is a turnkey solution for early stage businesses because we've noticed that entrepreneurs need help with the basics of simply setting up their businesses properly. That's the key word, properly. So we have created what we call the Small Business Virtual Incubator. Now, first of all, what is an incubator? According to Entrepreneur Magazine, business incubators are organizations geared towards speeding up the growth and success of startup and early stage companies. Therefore, anything that is geared towards speeding up the growth and success of your startup or early stage company, it is called an incubator. What does an incubator include? Number one, the formation of your business. Now, this is what our incubator will do for your business at an early stage, or if you are a startup, even if you're pre-launch and on all that. The number one thing we'll do is we will file for you a corporate entity and we'll pay for the filing. Isn't that amazing? Number two, we know how important an office address is. We will provide you with a true commercial address that's unique to you, not a shared office address, not a virtual address. We'll create a true commercial address or provide a true commercial address for you. It will be a private suite number. In other words, it is exclusive. Number three, we will provide you with a dedicated business phone number, which is extremely important because most entrepreneurs get calls on their cell phone and they want to be in business. That is not a professional way to be in business because most of the time they screen calls, thinking that every call that comes in is either a telemarketer or a debt collector, but that's not how you should run a business properly. You should have a business number knowing that any call that comes in, or most of the calls that come in through the business number is for business. When the call that comes in through your cell phone is a personal call, okay? So we will provide you with a dedicated business phone number. Number four, we will help you obtain your EIN number. We won't waste time on that, but we'll get you an EIN number. We will, number five, provide you with a basic business website. Now, this means that we will pay for it, okay? That is amazing. Number six, we'll also provide your business with a professional email address that is relevant to your business name and a website domain. We do not want any Gmails. We do not want any Yahoos. Most new businesses do not know how to do all these things, right? We will do that for you. Now, number seven, we have a mail service. Remember, you're going to have a commercial office address. Mails are going to be sent out to this address for you as you're in business. Now, we will forward those mails sent to your office, the commercial office that we've helped you provide. Will send it to you to your home at no extra charge. How amazing is that? It saves you time and saves you money. Number eight, we will all these are part of our incubator program. Number eight, we will help you open a business bank account. When I say help, we have business bankers in our team that would help you get the accounts opened up. And those business bankers actually have one of the people we use to get access get you access to capital. We're not going to spend too much time on that, but that's part of what will help you do. Now you pay to start up the business bank account, because to get a business bank account, you put in like a deposit of maybe $100. Some places are 50, some places are 100, some places are 200 or 250 or so. But you just put that in your bank account. You're not paying that. You're just putting that deposit to get the bank account open. So, but we'll help you, we'll direct you in that term. Number 9, we will help you set up a professional CPA accountant relationship. Now, this will ensure that your revenue, because you're in business, you're going to be generating revenue, right? Your revenue is going to be tracked properly using QuickBooks or any other similar software, okay? This is all part of our incubator program. We'll do all that for you. And number 10, we will get you a MasterCard under your business's EIN number. Now, what does an EIN number stand for? It is your employer identification number. An EIN is to a business, a social security number is to a person, an individual. So our small business virtual incubator is specifically designed to position startup businesses. Now, that being said, we want to help the business owner, startup business owner, meet the credibility factors to qualify for at least a $100,000 capital raise. Now, I want you to get that clear. We want to get you access to a minimum of $100,000 capital raise for your business. And you know what's funny about it? We guarantee it. Guaranteed $100,000 capital raise for your business. In order to do that, we have to build credibility for your business, because what lenders are looking for is credibility. We guarantee you, once we get the credibility with you, that we will get you a minimum of $100,000. We guarantee it again in our incubator. All our incubator clients will get a minimum of $100,000 in business capital. How are we able to do that? Because we are able to build credibility for the business. Most business owners want a loan and go to the bank or to a lender and do not have enough credibility to back it up. Lenders want credibility to lend you money, knowing that you will pay it back. Remember, a minimum of $100,000 capital raise. We don't have any maximum. You can borrow as much as you want. We will help you secure it. Now, this also includes access to unique sources of capital that are not commonly available elsewhere. This is part of being in our incubator. So the question lies, what is the cost of participating in our incubator? Now, remember, if you go somewhere else, the formation of a business ranges from the cost for forming a business entity ranges from about $600 to $1,500, sometimes more, depending on the state you're in. To get an office address, it ranges from $500 to $4,000 per month. If you $1,000 per month, if you go to do it yourself, this is what you do. But remember, we're going to get you the business forms, file it to the corporate entity to the state to get your business, an entity and credibility, and we'll also get you a commercial address. But if you go do it yourself, you're going to pay that amount. It's a business phone. If you do it yourself, you pay about from $100 plus per month. To get an EIN number, some places charge you $150 or more. And to get a website, email address, and domain name, it ranges from $1,500 to $40,000. Okay, just let that sink in. If you go elsewhere to get the website done and all this put together, now for the website, email, and domain, some places will charge you between $1,500 to $40,000. If you're going to pay for your own mailing service, it ranges from $50 per month to $200 or more, depending on the frequency of mails that you get. If you do it yourself, this is what it's going to cost you to be shipped to your home. If you go get a CPA or accountant with QuickBooks, to manage your finances, you pay a retainer of $2,000 or more, depending on the CPA experience. You want something that's good. So we can easily testify that this program is worth $50,000, right? $50,000 is what you're going to be paying us to do all that for you. How's that sound? Oh, no, you know what? We're in a holiday right now. Oh, you know what? You're a new client. Let's just charge you $25,000. How'd that sound? You begin paying us $25,000 one-time fee to take care of all that for you. That sounds good enough? Oh, did I hear you say something? Oh, you want a discount? Oh, okay. All right, let's just give you $10,000 to get this program, done. Let's get it done for you, one-time fee, $10,000. But no, we're not going to charge you $50,000, nor are we going to charge you $25,000. We're not even going to charge you a fraction of it. Only $999 to one-time fee to get started in our incubator. And guess what? It is a refundable deposit. Now, let me reiterate. You pay a one-time fee of $999 when you complete our program and get access to capital. We refund that $999 back to you. How's that sound? And by the way, don't forget, we gave you a guarantee that you're going to be getting a minimum of $100,000. This is just absolutely insane. One of the hardest things that we've noticed in our funding business is getting capital for startup businesses and, people that are new, early stages in their businesses. This is the hardest part of getting funding. But we've cracked the code because of the 501c3 grant subsidized funds that we have access to. That's why we're able to get everything together and get you a guarantee for it. Now, after that, we have affordable 99 payments. That's something we can discuss. And by the way, the $999 refundable deposit, if you can't afford it, let's talk and see what we can do with that. Now, note this. We can provide a business credit card. Okay, so it's not something that you should worry about, and it is just going to help fund the startup costs for you. Okay, so you don't really have to worry about, am I going to raise up $999, blah, blah, blah. We can talk with you. We can work things out. This is an amazing program. You have no reason not to get on board with this. Now, these are the things we're going to provide for you for free. Absolutely free. Remember, the $999 is just a setup fee that's going to be refunded back to you. So everything else we're going to provide for free. We're going to initially set up, your business, including filing your business with the Secretary of State and obtain your EIN number for free. We're going to get you a unique commercial address and mail handling for free. In other words, we'll send the mails you receive at that commercial address to you. Remember, the commercial address is not going to be shared. It is going to be unique and exclusive to your business. Now, we're doing that for free. We're paying for it. And remember, it's a monthly payment. We're going to be paying for it monthly as long as you're still in our incubator program. We're going to get you a business phone number, which is we're going to continue paying for it as long as you're in our program, right? We're going to do it for free. We're going to get you a basic website, a domain name, and email address for free. We haven't ended the free stuff. You see all the free stuff now remember, we have some costs. That's why we're charging you $999 setup, which is going to be refunded back to you. I want to make that clear. Now, other things we're going to create for you is setting up a business bank account or with our business banker team and connecting you with a CPA, building a CPA relationship, and even legal service, legal counsel for you at no extra charge to you at all, no charge at all. We're doing it for free. We'll set you up with QuickBooks, to properly track your revenue and expenses, because as you're in business, you're going to incur revenues, you're going to incur expenses, as well as producing financial reports. Because once we're done with preparing everything for you, we take it to the lender, and remember, we have a guarantee. Now, the lender has no choice but to say yes, because we're going to provide some financial reports to help your business sustain itself. Also, we're going to provide assistance in building your business credit profile. We're going to add trade lines. You're not going to pay any of this. If you go to Credit Suite, which is an amazing company, they charge you $2,500 or more They have different packages. Amazing company. But just the business credit part alone, they charge $2,500 or more. We do it for free for you. Add the trade lines and apply for a business MasterCard for up to $10,000 credit limit under your EIN number, which builds credibility, guys. So simple. All you have to do now is complete the form below. Very simple process. Once you're done completing the form below, we will contact you for an interview because we don't take just anybody. We have to make sure you're legitimate in order to do business with you and have you join our incubator. It's very precious to us because of the amount of value you're going to be getting from us. Now, there's a limited space available, so we're very careful the people we work with. We want you to apply so we can get to know if you are one of those people we can work with to get you that guaranteed $100,000, build your business and the basics of setting up your business to be credible. And now we want you to just apply and join our small business virtual incubator. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have any questions, reach out to us at info@diamondethical.com. In the meantime, comment below and apply so we can speak to you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.